Alright, what's up you guys? So in the last video you saw, we've got everything painted. You guys are gonna have to ignore my dogs. They won't shut up. But we painted the cage in the last video. Everything looked pretty good, and it looks way better now that the masking paper is off the roll cage. But I still got a little bit more to go, so I gotta take all this off, masking paper off the windows, take all these plastic pieces off, clean all that up, which I'm gonna do off camera. But today we're going to be putting on the shifter, the staging brake, the dash is going back on, all the harness that goes inside, which is from the tail lights all the way to the bottom of the dash. All that's going to be wired back up. If you guys haven't seen, I wire tucked it, so it looks kind of decent, I guess, but it's going to be a bit hidden. The only wires you should be able to see are going to be running right through there in the corner. There's like no other place to really run them, but other than that, everything's going to be running right here on the corner, on the side. And I am going to be putting a carpet in here, not today. I am going to buy a carpet, so that's why I didn't paint any of this, but carpet's going to be going in. Some black inner G seats are going to be going in. First things first, I got to put everything back on first, so I'm gonna just start cleaning and I'll pick up the camera when we get to it. All right, got all the tape off all around and just got to clean that up. And just like that, everything's all cleaned up. All I'm gonna do is run this chassis harness straight to the back, connect everything. After that's settled, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the dash, and then like I said in the beginning, gotta put the shifter, staging brake. I gotta connect the brake lines for the staging brake. But for right now, I'm gonna just start wiring up the chassis harness. This is all the wiring that we're just gonna run straight to the back. But it's in front of the cage and I want all this behind it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and push everything through. Got the ground. You know what? I'm gonna get the wire wheel and just grind down the paint right here and go to bare metal, just so I can have a good ground. I just gotta put a clamp right here, and this is good. I gotta cut the zip tie, but I'll do that later. Alright, now this one's gonna go straight to the back. This one's gonna connect to the other piece of the harness that goes from the trunk to over here. Now this wire's for the fuel pump, so this one goes right over here. Let me just go ahead, stretch out the wire. Now we feed everything through the fuel pump cover. And then we just connect this guy on, and that's done. So this section of the harness is finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the other half of the harness and connect it to this. Here's the rest of the harness. We're gonna shove this guy right under where you put gas. So it's gonna go straight under here, and it's gonna come out through the bottom and then down the wheel well. Make it sit flush all along the wheel well. Whatever is extra, I'm gonna just get a zip tie and just, well, tuck it away. Well, you guys, there's another piece of the harness that I was missing, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy in here, and we'll continue after I do all this, which I don't know how all this went because it was all tucked inside. So I'm gonna figure this out and then I'll let you guys know. I got everything tucked in, and I was messing up by putting this wire that goes attached to that one. I was trying to put it through the trunk when it's supposed to go through here, not the trunk. So that's why I can't figure anything out. But I'm gonna take this old OEM loom off, and I'm gonna be putting some of this one on. So I got this one off of Amazon. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link in the description. But just so it could look a little bit nicer, instead of having the OEM one, I'm gonna just put this one. I got everything buttoned up. Loom is on. Also went ahead and put a little clamp right here, that way the wire's not just flapping around. So all this is done. Now I'm gonna go back to where we started and just took all that. Alright, all I did was just put a little clamp right here and left enough play so it's not rubbing on the metal. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully it's not flapping around, but that's that. And time to get to the dash. The dash is in, but I'm gonna go inside because it's getting pretty damn hot. So once we come back, gonna put the shifter, staging brake, brake lines, and all that good stuff. But I won't be able to turn it on though, because I'm missing this sensor that goes right here. I forgot what it's called, but I can't turn it on because I'm missing that, and that's at the house. Well, it's the next day. I just got out of work, but right now we're just gonna be putting the shifter cables, staging brake, the brake lines for the staging brake. Also gonna be putting the cable latch for the trunk, and I'm only putting the cable for the trunk and not the gas lid, because there's too many cables right there in the side, and I don't like that. It's already bad enough the harness is right there showing, let alone adding more cables over there, and yeah, it just doesn't look nice to me. So I'm only going to be putting the cable for the trunk. For the gas lid, I'm going to be putting a push button, but I'll make another video on that. But for now, let's just start putting everything in. I know I put this wrong. It's supposed to go through here, and I put it through the top. So I did notice that. But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. On the next video, I am going to be putting a radiator shroud on the radiator, and I'm also putting 2 fans on the radiator. And if you're asking why, it gets pretty hot here to around 120, 124 in the summer, and summers are right around the corner. So 2 fans it is. Gonna be doing that. I'm also gonna be putting a push button right here on the gas lid, so stay tuned for that video. But give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.